Wood has been the best furniture material for centuries. It has been used all over the world regardless of the economic status of the users. Use of best wood for furniture makes it strong, long-lasting and requires minimal maintenance, as compared to other materials. While interior design trends constantly change, wooden furniture remains evergreen. However, there are different kinds of wood that are used for making furniture. So, which wood is good for your specific furniture type needs consideration. Consequently, while buying furniture, one should understand the pros and cons of types of wood and the precautions that owners need to take for its maintenance. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Our relationship to wood has remained relatively unchanged over time, and our methods of developing and managing woodlands continue to rely on tried and true techniques established by early civilizations. So perhaps this is why we take it for granted. Wood has long been a part of our lives, and we probably can't really imagine it not being there. Wood has played an important role in the history of civilization. Humans have used it for fuel, building materials, furniture, paper, tools, weapons, and more. And demand for wood continues to increase annually, spurring conflicts between neighboring states over control of shared resources. Woods for construction are generally categorized as hardwoods and softwoods. Softwoods are the source of about 80% of the world's lumber, so when we talk about wood, more often than not, we're talking about softwoods. These woods include cedars, Douglas firs, cypresses, firs, junipers, corus, larches, pines, hemlocks, redwoods, spruces, and yews. The wood from these trees tends to be more malleable. However, the softwood-hardwood division is not concrete. Some softwoods are harder than some hardwoods. The Douglas fir and the yew listed above, for example, are actually mechanically harder than several hardwoods. In general, softwoods tend to be far less expensive in comparison to hardwoods and are used more frequently in construction. The ways people decorate and furnish their homes, and the objects they choose to display, can reveal their values, aspirations and tastes. Decor and furnishings can also contribute to their sense of mental and physical well-being. For these reasons, many people take great care when decorating the interiors of their homes. Home decor is the art of making your home good and nice. It refers to the aesthetic elements used to make a home more attractive and visible. Home decor includes physical items and objects such as furniture, art and accessories. The placement of physical items, objects, room colors, and materials such as flooring, window coverings, wall coverings, and ceilings. There are many styles of home decor. The choice of colors, style of furniture, and the arrangement of objects in the room are limitless. Many other household items and decorations can decorate your home. When it comes to home decor, furniture and wall decoration are just the beginning, because when we enter in the house it should give us attractive vibes. Everything from choosing colors to throwing pillows on your sofa is an opportunity to create an atmosphere that will make you and your loved ones thrive and make an impression. You can create a quiet space with simple color combinations, a cozy and inviting home with warm tones, or an area with bright and vibrant entertainment with bold patterns. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.